Good day traders, you are welcomed by the FixProfit robot. Right now, I will show you how my signals with 89 to 95% passability will help you earn great money on trading. By the way, our team gives you the opportunity to use 3 trial signals from me with an average passability of 90% free of charge, after which you will be able to buy the full version of FixProfit with a discount of 90%. The number of people who will get the discount, limited. Link in the description. I will now quickly issue a signal to enter the first trade. Lower. In this case, you need to press the red button. I entered on the OTC currency pair Australian dollar, Japanese yen. Time frame 2 minutes, entry point $550. Attention! There is a large-scale contest of comments on our channel. You can win a great prize, $1,000, by performing a few actions. Watch this video from beginning to end, subscribe to this YouTube channel, put a like on this video and write 1 comment on the subject of trading. I would like to draw your attention to the fact that only those viewers who watch the video to the end will participate in this contest. Only 1 message is accepted from 1 person, which must be thematic. Off-topic comments such as "I want $1,000" will not be allowed to participate. I choose 1 winner each week using a randomizer. Our team publishes the results of the contest on our Telegram channel. Subscribe to it at the link in the description. In addition to the results of the contests there, I publish important educational information that will help you quickly develop your skills and pump up your thinking for professional work with currency pairs and not only. Good luck to everyone! By the way, after purchasing the full version of FixProfit, you will get into the VIP chat, where market analytics is conducted. There, our team analyzes various market situations and shares fresh signals. And right now on the screen, you can see testimonials of people who already work with us and earn powerful profits with the help of my analytical tools. I remind you that every person can use 3 of my signals for free before buying. Link in the description. And the deal is almost at an end. Let's take a look at the result. At the last moment, the sellers were able to make a decisive move. The signal was accurate. The real account received a profit of $495. Now I will change the expiry time and investment amount. I will enter the market for 3 minutes. The entry amount is $1,100. I doubled it. Promptly give a signal in 3 seconds, to higher. Now I want to tell you about what is currency correlation and how to use it. Currency pairs are quoted in relation to one another, and their values are inherently connected. The correlation is typically measured on a scale from -1 to +1. When 2 currency pairs move in the same direction, they are positively correlated. For instance, Euro USD and GBP USD frequently move together because the Euro and the British Pound both have a positive correlation with the US dollar. When 2 currency pairs move in opposite directions, they are negatively correlated. For example, USD CHF and Euro USD typically move in opposite directions because the Swiss franc is negatively correlated with the Euro. No correlation. Sometimes currency pairs move independently of each other, which is indicated by a correlation near 0. Correlations can change over time due to various economic and political factors. Traders must stay updated with the current correlation coefficients to adjust their strategies accordingly. Understanding correlations can help you diversify your trades. If you have multiple open positions with pairs that are highly correlated, you're effectively increasing your risk. By choosing pairs with low or negative correlation, you can spread the risk. Traders can use negatively correlated currency pairs to hedge. If you have an open position on a pair and want to hedge against potential losses, you could open a position on a negatively correlated pair. Since correlations show the tendency of pairs to move together, if one pair starts moving strongly in one direction, it can be a signal that a correlated pair may follow. Factors affecting currency correlation. Monetary policies. Decisions by central banks can affect currency correlations, particularly if policies diverge between economies. Commodities prices. Commodity currencies, like the Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, and the New Zealand dollar, can show strong correlations to commodity prices, like gold and oil. Political events. Political instability, elections, and changes in government can lead to changes in correlations as they may have different implications for different economies. Calculating currency correlation. Correlation coefficients can be calculated using statistical tools, but many information websites provide updated correlation tables. In options trading, platforms might not offer these tools directly, so traders need to use external resources to monitor correlations. So, in the meantime, the second trade closed with a positive result, plus $990. Now I will double the market entry amount and enter the final trade on the 1-minute time frame to consolidate the success. The investment is $2,200. My forecast is for higher. I can triple your deposit on the first day. An investment you make at a 90% discount will pay for itself in the first few hours. Working together with me, you will become really profitable traders with million-dollar profits. FixProfit absorbed all the information that the developers have studied for 9 years. And all this experience is given to you for a symbolic fee. The link to 3 free signals and to buy the bot is in the description to this video. Step into the future right now. By the way, today I am trading with currency pairs over-the-counter trading. This is a huge advantage of working with me. With FixProfit, you can trade even on weekends and holidays, even at night. When the exchanges are sleeping, you can use 27 OTC currency pairs just by sending me the command /OTC. With this command, you can switch between basic and OTC options. So, the third deal ended with a profit of $1,980. A great result thanks to my precise recommendations. The total profit for this trading session is great, $3,465. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell to not miss new important information and fresh episodes. Subscribe to our Telegram channel at the link in the description to soak up even more educational content and enter the $1,000 contest. See you soon.